Microsoft is set to transform the way we manage files on OneDrive. With the introduction of its AI-powered Copilot chatbot, slated for release in the latter half of April, Copilot in OneDrive promises to revolutionize file retrieval and management. This innovative feature will be accessible on the web client and integrated within Microsoft Teams, OneDrive, and SharePoint. Designed primarily for work and school users who have a Copilot for Microsoft 365 license, the initial launch will support English, French, German, and Japanese, with plans to expand language support in the coming months. With Copilot in OneDrive, users can effortlessly ask the AI chatbot to locate information within files using text prompts. It's not just about retrieving files based on names or dates. Copilot can also handle requests for multiple files tagged in specific ways. Beyond simple retrieval, Copilot boasts generative capabilities, such as creating lists and tables from data within stored files. Users can also request the AI to generate comprehensive summaries in various formats, enhancing productivity and collaboration. Initially, this summarization feature will be available when sharing Word documents from the web version, with plans to extend support to desktop and mobile applications later in the year. This video explores the capabilities and potential impact of Microsoft's OneDrive Copilot, a game-changer in digital file management and AI integration. Microsoft is revolutionizing the way we interact with digital content through the introduction of its AI-powered Copilot in OneDrive, slated for release in the latter half of April. This groundbreaking feature is a game-changer in digital file management and user interaction. Copilot in OneDrive, accessible on the web client and integrated within Microsoft Teams, OneDrive, and SharePoint, is specifically designed for work and school customers with a Copilot for Microsoft 365 license, initially supporting languages like English, French, German, and Japanese. It promises to expand its linguistic capabilities in the months to follow. The AI chatbot at the heart of Copilot in OneDrive enables users to interact with their files in new and innovative ways. Users can utilize text prompts to command the AI to retrieve information from files, locate specific documents, or gather multiple files based on various criteria like date and tags. This AI functionality goes beyond mere retrieval. It includes generative capabilities for creating comprehensive lists, tables, and detailed summaries of files. These summaries, which can be in long-form text or concise pointers, are shareable along with the files, thereby enhancing collaboration and streamlining workflows. Initially, this sharing feature will be exclusive to Word documents on the web version, with plans to extend support to desktop and mobile applications later in the year. This extended video provides an in-depth exploration of Microsoft's Copilot in OneDrive, delving into its capabilities, potential impacts on productivity, and how it's set to transform the digital workspace, from simplifying file management to enhancing collaborative efforts. Join us as we uncover the full scope of this innovative AI tool in Microsoft's digital ecosystem. Microsoft is ushering in a new era of digital file management, with the introduction of its AI-powered Copilot in OneDrive, set to launch in the latter half of April. This innovative feature marks a significant advancement in how users interact with their digital content. Copilot in OneDrive, accessible via the web client and integrated within Microsoft Teams, OneDrive, and SharePoint, is designed to revolutionize file management for work and school customers holding a Copilot for Microsoft 365 license, initially supporting English, French, German, and Japanese. The feature is set to expand to more languages in subsequent months. The AI chatbot at the core of Copilot in OneDrive allows users to interact with their files in unprecedented ways. Users can employ text prompts to have the AI fetch information from files, locate specific documents, or even retrieve multiple files based on date and tags. This AI functionality extends beyond simple retrieval. It includes generative capabilities for creating lists, tables, and even detailed summaries of files. These summaries, presented in long-form text or as concise pointers, can be shared alongside the files, enhancing collaboration and efficiency. Initially, this sharing feature will be exclusive to Word documents on the web version, with plans to extend support to desktop and mobile applications later in the year. This video provides a comprehensive overview of how Microsoft's Copilot in OneDrive is set to transform the way we manage and interact with our digital files, from enhancing productivity to streamlining collaboration. Join us as we delve into the capabilities and potential of this groundbreaking AI tool in the digital workspace. Microsoft is set to revolutionize file management with its latest innovation, the AI-powered Copilot in OneDrive. In a significant development, the company announced that this new feature will be rolled out in the latter half of April. Copilot in OneDrive is designed to enhance the way users interact with their files stored on OneDrive. It will be available on the web client and integrated within Microsoft Teams, OneDrive, and SharePoint. This feature is tailored for work and school customers who have a Copilot for Microsoft 365 license. Initially, it will support English, French, German, and Japanese, with plans to expand language support in the coming months. The AI chatbot enables users to retrieve information from files using simple text prompts. Users can request specific files or multiple files based on date and tags. Beyond fetching data, Copilot in OneDrive boasts generative abilities, such as creating lists and tables using data from stored files. It can also generate comprehensive file summaries in long-form text or pointers, which can be shared along with the files. Initially, this sharing feature will be available for Word documents on the web version, with support for desktop and mobile applications expected later in the year. Join us as we explore how Microsoft's Copilot in OneDrive is set to transform file management and enhance productivity in the digital workspace. Microsoft is ushering in a new era of digital file management, with its groundbreaking Copilot AI chatbot for OneDrive set to launch in the latter half of April. This advanced AI integration will be available to work and school customers who possess a Copilot for Microsoft 365 license, initially supporting languages like English, French, German, and Japanese, with more to be added soon. Copilot in OneDrive, accessible via the web client and integrated within Microsoft Teams, OneDrive, and SharePoint, is posed to redefine how users interact with their files. The AI chatbot enables users to efficiently fetch information from files using simple text prompts. It's not just limited to file retrieval. Copilot can fetch specific or multiple files based on dates and tags, streamlining file management like never before. The AI's generative abilities extend to creating detailed lists and tables using data from stored files, facilitating data analysis and presentation. A standout feature is its capability to generate file summaries in various formats, such as long-form text or bullet points, enhancing the ease of sharing and collaboration. Initially, this summarization feature will be limited to sharing Word documents from the web version, but support for desktop and mobile applications is expected to roll out later this year. This video provides a comprehensive look at the capabilities and potential benefits of Microsoft's OneDrive Copilot, exploring how it stands to revolutionize file management and AI utilization in everyday tasks.